In this video, we'll install the mesh speed top on the Manual Bimini 2.0. To begin, place the rails in the full down position, then drape the mesh top over the rails. Pass the navigation light through the navigation light opening. Zip the forward and middle rail sleeves onto the forward and middle frame rails. Raise the frame into its upright position and lock the rear frame rail into place. Secure the rail sleeves onto the rear rail frame. Lock the forward frame rails into their full open position to complete the Speed Bimini mesh top installation procedure. Let's remove the mesh speed top from the Bimini 2.0 frame rails. Unzip all three sets of the rail sleeves from the rail frames, working from rear to front. Once free of all three frame rails, carefully lower the Bimini top as it can drop suddenly. Release the spring-loaded rail locks on the rear frame rail. Carefully pass the navigation light through the mesh speed top's navigation light opening. The top can now be stowed for later use.